All right, everybody, welcome back for the final workout of the week. As with every week, this is our cardio and core mixed workout, looking to get that heart rate up and the core working on endurance. This workout should look a little bit familiar. We saw it a couple weeks ago, but there are some differences, so make sure that you really look through the wording or listen right now so that you know what your choices are. So again, we're gonna set the clock between 30 and 40 minutes. If you set yours for 30 minutes last time, add a couple minutes, shoot for 32, 33. If you set yours for the full 40, excellent job. You're gonna be trying to increase your run time. So the running last time we did this was set between 2 and 4 minutes. I've upped it just a little bit, between 3 and 5. So if you were running intervals of 2 minutes last time, I want you to add a little bit of time. Try to make that 3 minutes every time. If you were running intervals of 4 minutes last time, I want you to try to up it to that 5. So you won't get quite as many rounds in, and that's okay. A little bit less core, but we're getting more on our cardio, which is very important. All right, our 3 30-second blocks. The first one, notice you only have one option, and that's reverse walking lunges. All righty, so if you have the space, we're walking backwards with our reverse lunges. I do not care that you get low enough to tap your knee. Perfectly fine that you stay in a more manageable range for driving backwards, but I want a nice big step. So if you don't step big enough, or you drop your chest when you step, they end up in this position and your knee buckles underneath you. Your knee should never be in front of your hip. So make sure that you step far enough that that knee is back behind your hip every time. Yes, it will make getting up harder. That is okay. You are perfectly welcome to take a PVC pipe with you or a broomstick or whatever and use it to kind of help you keep the chest up and to push backwards a little bit. Just switch sides with it every time. Perfectly fine. So that is your only choice for that 30 seconds. No walking squats, no forward walking lunges, just the reverse walking lunges. Number 2 are our fast feet. I've only given you 3 options: skip, shuffle, or sprawl. All right? If you choose to shuffle for every single one, I'm going to come get you. You gotta change it up. Skips are nice high energy. Shuffles, if you're doing them, make sure that they are quick feet, so I don't want the really long, leisurely, skipping through the forest kind of shuffling motion. I want fast feet, so how fast can you move those feet? Sprawls, they speak for themselves. Just do as many as you can. Remember, you're welcome to mix it up. You can start it with a sprawl and do a couple shuffles, and then do another sprawl, and then do a couple shuffles. Perfectly fine, that's excellent. Really good way to use your time. It's only 30 seconds. A lot of times, the more we mix up our 30 seconds, the faster the time goes by, because we're not just thinking, this is the longest 30 seconds of my life. So your fast feet options: skip, shuffle, or sprawl. The final one are our plank. You only have 2 options on your plank this time. It is plank pointers or rockstar plank. And again, you can mix them up. So remember, on our pointers, you gotta be on your feet. If you can't do a full pointer on your feet with opposite arm and leg, then you can do one appendage at a time. You could do right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. That's perfectly fine. But you can't be on your knees. That's the only rule, okay? The other option is our rockstar plank. My preferred method is the full rockstar plank where your leg goes under and you rotate. If that's not working, you can keep the feet planted and rockstar. All right? So again, your planking options are only plank pointers or rockstar plank. And then you're back to whatever short recovery you need, right into that next run. All right, guys, have fun with it. Take on the less options as a little bit more of a challenge and see how it goes. Have a great Friday, everybody.